What's the value of 6 plus 12 divided by 3 times 2? Looks simple, right? But this math trips up way more people than you would expect. Let's see why. Most people say PEMDAS, which is great. We all know we are supposed to apply the PEMDAS rule, except that many people treat it like a staircase, one level after another. So here is what usually happens. They start by multiplying 3 times 2, which gives 6, and then they divide 12 by 6, which gives 2, and then they add it to this 6, and then they get 8. But this is wrong. Some people also just solve it from left to right without applying the PEMDAS rule. They just add, divide, and then they multiply. So they get 12, which is equally wrong. So now let's do it correctly. The first thing is that we have to divide before we multiply. Whenever multiplication and division appear together, or addition and subtraction, you solve from left to right. So since division appears before multiplication, then we have to divide first. That means we say 12 divided by 3, and this gives 4. So the question becomes 6 plus 4 then times 2. Now we multiply before we add. So this becomes 6 plus 8, and the answer will be 14, which is the correct answer. It's not 12, it's not 8, 3, or whatever shortcut your brain tried to take. So here is the recap. You don't climb PEMDAS like a ladder. Whenever multiplication and division appear together, you solve from left to right. When addition and subtraction appear together, you solve from left to right. You always move from left to right. Now try this to be sure that you understand it. Solve 6 plus 15 divided by 5 times 3. Remember to follow the rule. You solve from left to right when multiplication and division appear together. Drop your answer in the comments and let's see who gets it right. If you enjoy this, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more.